innovation-centric industries are driving Chinese economics growth. Hello and welcome to Inventiva. This is Sonia Gatraj back again with the big news. To give a head start to this news, keep in mind that China is one of the best growing countries in the world. It is still a developing country but surely is performing much better than many developed countries in the world aren't. The rapid industrialization, modernization of technology and good policy making all have contributed to the success of the country. The recent innovation-based industrial growth has been very successful for the economy of China. Lending to the growth of the country, the nation shift towards the innovation-based growth and has increased in the pandemic. Shocking, right? It is reported to have been added a lot of value to the GDP growth of the country. There has been a rise in the country's new industries and the business models. They witnessed an upward trajectory during the time of the pandemic, while other countries were struggling to fight the COVID-19 virus. The value added by this newly introduced sector is nearly 2.62 trillion, which contributes to about 17%, which is nearly 0.7% rise from the previous year, which indicates that these new sectors witnessed a great even in the pandemic. According to the reports, the innovation-based sector is expected to grow by a huge number by 2035, contributing to 1/3 of the GDP. Moreover, it is expected to rise up to 50% of the GDP by the middle of the century, the time where the country is expected to have accomplished the second centenary goal of making itself into a great socialist economy. What is a three new economy? Let us know. The three new economy refers to a collection of all economic activities of the country that contribute to the growth of sci-tech innovation-oriented growth in China. Getting into a deeper details, it specifically consists of the new economic activities led by the new technological and the scientific achievements, along with the new links and chains driven from the existing industries that can fit into the diverse needs of the business, such as internet-enabled business services, as well as the integration of the business operations by itself. The credit of the growing innovation-led technology can be given to the country's powerful logistics system of the network. The prevalence of the well-developed internet network throughout the country, as well as the rising cashless mobile payments, have also been a reason for the swift rebooting of the country's economy. Tai Yuan, the former vice president of the Beijing Economic Operation Association, claimed that the internet has given a lot of benefits to the new developing innovation-led technology. China's innovation boom. Lesson for India ORF. Talking about the progress, one fact which cannot be ignored is the growth of the economy during the pandemic. When the coronavirus started spreading throughout the world, the economics were in the fall. Many countries, including India, suffered a lot of destructions due to the pandemic. Lockdowns prevailed in all the countries, hampering all the economic activities. But China was still able to further develop with their new economy. China, along with fighting the virus, had to face complicated international consequences, but still managed very well. The rising value added of the three new economics is not a dividend of the new behavior which was created by the global COVID-19 virus. However, and moreover, it indicates the efficient planning of the government. The plans for the country's vision of the tech-oriented growth has been resulted very successful and is bearing fruits. It was discussed in the 13th five-year plan and is laying the groundwork for the economy to quickly emerge for its effect of COVID-19, while other countries are still fighting to maintain a stable economy. China is becoming unstoppable with its growth. On the brighter side of the development of tech innovation-based economy provides a lot of employment opportunities, therefore reducing the unemployment levels. It provides for better job position, a healthy work environment, increases education level and therefore develops the economic overall. The recent growth of the new innovation-led technology has created huge demands of new contracts between countries, education departments and research and development departments. It should be kept in mind that the main elements for the development of the tech-based economy are proper knowledge in the former of the theories, better policy frameworks, scientific progress and well-developed portfolios before making any policies. every risk associated which it should be studied in order to develop the economy, which China has done very efficiently. Without proper knowledge and planning, this would have resulted in nothing but a failure of the economy. With China pushing the domestic innovation, there is expected to rise the 3 new economy to GDP ratio by 20% at the end of the 14th five-year plan, which will end in the year 2025. The ratio is expected to rise by a large ratio and therefore is expected to top 1/3 of the GDP by the year 2035. The country is expected to achieve a number of long-range objectives, lending to the qualitative transformation of the economy to completely digitalized economy by the year 2050. Mid of the century, India, which is also making a progress to become a digital economy, will be surely benefited if it studies the performances of the China and learns from its mistakes.